We asked Claude to tell us about the different capabilities of the liquid-liquid extraction platform and told it to run an optimization campaign for the mobile liquid handler by giving it different ranges of speed, delays, and air gaps. While we were at lunch, the robot performed the optimization by transferring liquid into HPLC vials using the MLH and weighing them with the balance. When we came back, we asked Claude to give us the current status of the platform, which confirmed that the optimization ran successfully. We then told it to give us a visualization from the optimization data, which was not as we had expected, so we would have to run this optimization again. We then used Claude on the Purification and Crystallization platform to successfully run a step-by-step process of dosing solid, transferring liquid, and preparing HPLC samples. At the very end, we asked Claude to compile these steps into a script so that we can reuse this workflow at a later time.